Good morning, dear students. Welcome to English first paper online class brought to you by Aliajan School and College. Teacher's introduction. Dear students, I am Shimarani Bonik, assistant teacher of Aliajan School and College, Munshirat Fulgaji Feni. I know all of you are doing great. You know, due to COVID-19 pandemic, government has taken a decision to close down all the educational institutions so that you can prevent transmission. That's why your home is your classroom now, and I know you are studying at home and follow our online class minutely and do your homework regularly. But at this moment, stay home, stay safe. Dear students of class 10, this class is made for you. Dear students, can you guess something about this or about this column? Guess what we are going to learn today. Yes, you are rightly guessed that our today's topic's name is matching sentences. Learning outcomes. After completing the lesson, you will be able to tell about matching, tell the meaning of the new words, match the sentences, solve the problem of matching in the examination. Dear students, first of all, we have to know what is matching. The very word matching means the process by which sentences are meshed together. Matching is a present participle of match. Dear students, when reading the sentences, you may find new words that the meaning of the new words may not be known to you. That's why these arrangements. Here is an arrangement. Truthfulness, it's a noun, meaning honesty, sincerity. Make sentence with the very word truthfulness. Truthfulness is the greatest of all human virtues. Lie, it's a noun, meaning untruth, falsehood, fabrication. Sentence, it is a blatant lie. Greatest, it's an adjective, the superlative degree of the great. Meaning, prominent, eminent, etc. Sentence, he is the greatest person of the world. Cultivate, it's a verb, meaning pursue, dig, plow. Make sentence, we must cultivate the habit of speaking the truth. Hidden, it's a verb, meaning concealed, secret. Sentence, a lie never lies hidden for long. Dear students, this is our today's topics. Dear students, in the examination question, this is your question number 6. Match the parts of sentences given in column A, B and C to write 5 complete sentences. In the following questions, 3 columns, column number A, B, C are given containing 5 sentences. In the first column, sentences are A, B, C, D, E. In the second and third column, the sentences are Roman 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A sentence from first column may connect with another sentence from the second and third column to make a correct sentence. So, now I am going to read out the sentences for your better understanding. Column A, number truthfulness. B, we must. C, otherwise we. D, a lie. E, today. Column B, number 1, will never win. Number 2, is the greatest. Number 3, or tomorrow. Number 4, cultivate the habit. Number 5, never lies. Column C, number 1, hidden for long. Number 2, it comes too late. Number 3, of all human virtues. Number 4, of speaking the truth. And number 5, the respect of others. Dear students, this is a suggested answer for you. Now we will see how to make an answer. A plus 2 plus 3. Truthfulness is the greatest of all human virtues. B plus 4 plus 4. We must cultivate the habit of speaking the truth. C plus 1 plus 5. Otherwise, we will never win the respect of others. D plus 5 plus 1. A lie never lies hidden for long. E plus 3 plus 2. Today or tomorrow it comes to light. Yes, students, evaluation. Tell me what is matching. Yes, you are right. Thank you. Tell me another one. What is the meaning of the word greatest? Yes, you are also right. Thank you. Another question for you. Make only 2 complete sentences by using A, B and C column. Okay, well done. Thanks again. Dear students, now I am going to give you a homework. Our today's homework is match the parts of sentences given in column A, B and C to write 5 complete sentences. Column A. I am read out for your better convenient. A. Education means. Number B. The purpose of education. Number C. Education makes us. Number D. Education. Number 5. Education. Column B. Number 1. Conscious of our rights. Number 2. Frees a man. Number 3. Aims at. Number 5. Is to enlighten. And number 5. The receiving formal learning. Column C. The individual. Number 2. Removing the darkness. Number 3. From restrictions. Number 4. From any educational institution. And the last one, number 5. And responsibilities. This is your homework. You have to solve it minutely by following the instructions. Dear students, we are going to the end of our today's session. I hope you enjoyed the class. Don't forget to learn. Stay home, stay safe, because you are our future Bangladesh. Thank you, good luck and goodbye.